Learn how to turn your TikTok account to private from this video. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, the first step you need to take is to get to your TikTok app, all right? And then tap on it. As your TikTok app opens, tap on your profile, which is at the bottom right in this case. Once you get to this profile, tap on the three lines at the top right, which is the menu. Then you are provided with these options. Select Settings and Privacy. On getting to Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Now you are taken to this. You can see private account is toggled off by default. So tap on that button for it to be enabled. And you can see here it states, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected.